Welcome back. Welcome back. So now we are going to do a practical example. Right now we have date, item, category, amount spent, cash allocated, and want to find the balance. So you are an accountant giving all this cash from 8,500 to 3,500, and you spent this amount on all these items here. So you want to know the balance that you left. You simply come here, you type equals to, you say 85 minus 1 2, because you want to know the balance. You hit enter. So instead of typing it here, you just simply come here like we usually do. Make sure you touch this, then you drag down. Once you drag down, it automatically tells you everything that should be here. So that is how to do this. Then remember, we have so many sheets, and you can say add more using this plus sign. Don't forget about it. So the sheet 2, we want to know the total sales. You have dates, items, locations, quantities, and unit prices. So you want to know the total sales. What amount did they sell? So you come here, you just simply say equals to, then the quantity multiply, remember the asterisk, multiply by the unit price. So you hit enter. Instead of typing it here manually, just simply come here and you drag down. You drag down. It automatically updates everything. So let's go to the third sheet, the staff salary. You are an accountant, you are in charge of paying all these people their salary. You have the employee, department, basic, and so on and so forth. You want to know their total pay. So right now you have to add this basic salary, transport allowance, housing allowance for you to know their total pay. So what you need to do, you come here, you use your equal key, equal sign, and then say this plus this plus this equals to, it will give you this. But this will waste a lot of your time. You keep typing equals to equals. What if it is 20 things that you want to add? It will be very difficult. So let's just clear this and use another function. That is why I taught you the sum function. You simply type equals to sum, then you double click on the sum, so automatically opens and the bracket will show. You highlight everything you want to sum. Then once you finish highlighting, you close the bracket and hit enter. Automatically gives you this, so you can just come here and drag it down as usual. So this is how to do it. Then now let's say this cells, you want to color it red. So you can simply come to this autofill here, or you say all these departments here, you want it to be bolder. First of all, you highlight them. After you finish highlighting them, you want it to be large. Let's say you come to this, you now come to this place, number, pick the drop down menu. Let's say you want it to be 14. 14 is now bigger. So let's say you want these cells to be yellow. So you come here, you pick the yellow, it will be yellow. Let's say you want this 8340 to appear as if it is written in red. So you come to this place, not this particular one again. We have two here. This one is like a bucket, not this one is the autofill, while this one is the font fill color. So you use the drop down menu, you pick red. So you see that is the difference between this one and this one. This one fills the background, this one fills the written text. So this is how to do the autofills, and this one is how to do the font fill color. So this is basically what we do, and you can actually say that you want all these things in the housing to appear green. You can highlight all of them. You want to autofill it green, highlight all of them. You come to this place, choose the drop down menu and choose green. So you see it have now changed, so it's now yellow. You can decide to say you want everything basic salary to be written in blue, written, not autofill. You highlight all of them, you come at this A, you choose the drop down menu, you choose the color you want. So you see it is written in blue. So this is how to do the autofill and the font fill color. So I have basically taught you how to open Excel, how to close it, how to save all the Excel interface, the tab, the formula bar, the workbook, the worksheet, the cells, the column and the rows, the basic arithmetic, the summation, the multiplication, the addition, the subtraction, and what have you, the copy and paste, the autofill, the essential keyboards, and so on and so forth. So please make sure that you cool down and watch this and try to understand it. For anywhere you have issues, you pause the video. If you still have confusions, you can always ask me. Don't forget about that. You can drop your questions in the comment section or hit my inbox so that you get your solutions and you get the clarity that you want. Thank you very much. I will hope to meet you in my subsequent classes. Remain blessed and make sure you practice, because Excel is practice, practice, practice. The more you keep practice, the more you keep learning. Do not play with consistency. I will see you again. Thank you very much.